I want sponsorship sellers to have as many free tools at their disposal so that they could be successful. My name is Ken Unger. I'm a sponsorship coach at Charge, and I want to share with you a free tool in ChatGPT. ChatGPT offers a sponsorship seller many tools to find that right sponsor. We're going to talk about 5 ways to use ChatGPT. For those who haven't used ChatGPT before, here's how it works. In the free version of ChatGPT 3.5, you start by putting in what's called the prompt. That's where you're asking a question of the artificial intelligence so that it could formulate a response for you. It uses the billions of data bits at its disposal to formulate an answer for you. Some things to keep in mind. It's not perfect. Sometimes it will give you the wrong information. It's not an expert. It is just taking the information that's out there and packaging it for your answer. So when you use it, test it against some common sense about whether this could be right or not. First of all, it can help you customize your pitches to potential sponsors. We've talked in previous videos about the need to customize every pitch that you make to a particular sponsor. Well, with ChatGPT, all you have to do is put in the prompt the circumstances of the sponsor that you're looking at, and you'll get the information you seek to customize your pitch. For example, if you were to put in, suggest different ways that a flower maker could use a sponsorship with a pizza festival. When I did that on ChatGPT, I got 10 different ways that a sponsorship could be used by a flower maker with a pizza festival. You could do the same with your sponsorships. The second use for ChatGPT and sponsorship is to help you write your email and other communications with potential sponsors. Every piece of communication that goes to a potential sponsor needs to be grammatically correct, no spelling errors, and customized to the person that you're seeking to contact. ChatGPT will help you do that if in the prompt you enter the circumstances of the email. The third way to use ChatGPT is our favorite at the Sponsorship Success Method. At the Sponsorship Success Method, we are coaching sponsorship sellers in how to sell sponsorship. Well, an important part of that process is to prepare for your sponsorship pitch. When either on a video call or a phone call or in person, you are pitching yourself as a potential property to a sponsor. Well, we love to use ChatGPT as a way to practice for that pitch, as a way to role play the roles of sponsor and prospect. To do that, you enter into the prompt the circumstances of your prospective sponsor. What industry are they in? What are they looking for in a sponsorship? Everything that you know about that sponsor, and then tell ChatGPT about your particular property. Who are you? What are you doing? What's your value proposition? All the things that may be in your sponsorship deck. And then ask ChatGPT to play the role of the potential sponsor and go back and forth and practice for your pitch. The fourth use for ChatGPT is to brainstorm activation ideas. Activation is the way that you and your sponsor brings the sponsorship to life. It could be things like product displays and social media and all those things that you would do to implement the sponsorship, to get in front of your audience. Well, again, you could ask ChatGPT for ideas about how to activate around your sponsorship. And the fifth way that we like to use ChatGPT for sponsorship is to brainstorm social media content ideas around your sponsorship. If you put that information in the prompt, you'll get great ideas for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you're doing to leverage your sponsorship on behalf of your sponsor. If you thought this video was helpful, consider liking the video or putting in the comments how you use artificial intelligence to improve your chances of finding the right sponsor. No matter what, I wish you sponsorship success.